hit Atlanta TV show gossip. We're gonna talk about yesterday. I said I'm that guy's wife. I'm not his wife. I never was, and I don't want to be. I'm not interested in black guys. So, anyways, um, today we have a shout out to Eminem from me, and then we're gonna read some of the comments you've been sending. Somebody said, blank, you ain't his wife. That's right, I ain't, and I don't want to be. I'm not stupid to fall in love with some guy that has 5 baby mommies. So, and if I was stupid to fall in love with him like that, it would be for the looks. So anyway, somebody else sent an email to this show. So we're gonna read them. It said, what am I doing there, girl? You go over there with your husband. I ain't married with him. Why should I go over there with my... If I was, my comment is, why should I go over there with my husband? Why? Just because I'm a girl and you claim that I belong in the kitchen? Hell no. I'm his wife, and I do not belong in the kitchen. Next. Okay, that's all for today. See ya.